Gwins AI Vote webinar, free live AI webinar. Unlock the power of AI for learning, business and e-com. Discover how ChatGPT and today's top AI tools can help you. Study smarter, save hours every week. Grow your business with AI-powered strategies. Increase productivity, automate tasks, and create new e-com opportunity. Use AI confidently, even if you are a corporate beginner. Who should attend? Students, entrepreneurs, business owners, professionals, freelancers, job seekers. What will you receive? Live practical AI demonstrations, proving AI prompts and tools, free learning resources, live questions and answers session, executive training offer for attendees. Date Wednesday, July 29, 2026. Time 7 o'clock p.m. W18. Value online, live via Zoom. WhatsApp +234 8080136185. Email godwinhlewis@gmail.com. Limited seats available. Register now. Gwins AI Vote. Empowering people, transforming businesses, building the future with AI.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Yeah. Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, it's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I found my flow right on time, and now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine.